What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy, and today we are back for episode 2 of the Lightspeed 3K challenge. Last week was a bit of a roller coaster if you guys saw that. If you guys didn't, make sure to check out that episode so you see where the account stands now. I'll leave it up on the top right. And yeah, we do have a few things to look forward to this week. Well, I'm not really sure about looking forward to it, but we got FOMC minutes on Wednesday, PPI, CPI, so it's going to be a busy week. I feel like trading towards the end of the week might be a little bit shaky. Yeah, a couple things on a watch. Let me actually show you the starting balance. We were right in line with what I thought, so equity's just under 2,600. And yeah, we have a few things to look at here. Probably one will be MU, absolutely searching for more all-time highs. Meta breaking highs, Netflix, Lily too. I mean, just a whole bunch. So let's see if we can get a nice drive off of the open. And if you guys are excited for this video, and if you guys are enjoying the challenge, do me a favor, drop a like, drop a sub, drop a comment. It's gonna be a wild week. So let's get it, baby. And we are open. Somewhat of a big dip down on the SPY and NASDAQ here. A little bit interesting. Apple. Actually, I would look to trade this. It's a decent looking flag. Can we... I'll look to take it lower. All right, I'm in here on Apple. Taking it short. Looking to get the break of the lows here. As you can see, this is a key support. So if it drops this, we should get some downside here. Nice. There we go. Get through that. Let's bring this up on the 5-minute. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Nice drop, Apple. Okay, good read there. Just following the markets. Really hitting the downside. New one. Let's not get that big of a bounce. Let's hold under the previous low. We are under the Bollingers, though, so I got to be a little bit careful. But why do we do this every time? Like, sellers should have absolute total control here, and they don't. New one. Holding above the low. All right. I think that actually needs a wick on the bottom. Yeah, I think we do. So it should come back down for us. I mean, come on. Are we serious? Like, how does it produce a candle like that with a volume like that? Let's get back onto that 9, please. I mean, the markets are pooping. Can you help us out here? My gosh, this stock stinks, man. How are you the weakest name and you're holding up? Like, make this make sense, stock market. What are we doing? It needs another wick on the bottom. What? Ugh. This is so annoying, man. How are you doing that? How are you doing that? Meta looks like it's on crack. It actually needs to fill these 2 wicks. I don't even mind to, like, hold this if it stays inside this range. I might actually try it, you know. I'm going to try it. I'm going to take a long here on Meta. There it goes. Over the 9, being absolutely ridiculous. Should be illegal, this price action. Look at the jump up on the Qs and SPY. All right, there we go. Tapping. What's the high here? 525.95. It needs to break. Okay, we got that. One more to go. Gotta hold this, though. I do like that ES actually did come down to a support level. So, I mean, if it bounces off of this, I wouldn't be surprised on upside. Come on. Come on. Be strong. Obviously, if it makes new lows, we're out. It's impressive. Oh, we're about to hit 10 o'clock. All right, we gotta hold on a second. Brace for impact. I just realized that. 10 o'clock. What do we get? 10 o'clock snap has been pretty big last week or so. And it goes up. But this 5-minute is ugly. We have to get over that VWAP in the 9. Oh my goodness. All right. Hold on a second. Meta is actually coming up. New one. We're above the VWAP now. With that move, the Bollingers ticked up. Got to be very careful here. It's too big of a move down. Okay. Got to be careful here. We're at the bottom. Yep. Gonna have to sell. Damn, man. Okay. We have a little bit of money. Maybe we can find another trade. The thing is, ES, it does have to... So, obviously, this is at the demand zone, and that needs to clear this wick, and then we have an uncleared wick back to the upside, potentially. And unfortunately, SPY hits this, so that might be out of the picture. Wow. All right, we could actually look for just more downside instead on the SPY. I wouldn't mind taking 4 here. I'll take 4 short on the SPY. There we go. All right. Actually got some downside there. So see if it wants to actually break that support. I mean, if you think about it, we're under the 9 now on the daily. Smacked our head off of it this morning. Let's see if we can actually... Come on now. Come on now. Like, right when I get in? Right when I get in? Dude, you can't even make it up. You know the stop. What the hell? All right, guys, back on Tuesday. Tomorrow is CPI and Fed minutes, so trading might be a little bit muted today. But again, just another big gap up on the SPY and Qs. Not sure what to trade, but I am looking at Tesla. Potential bull flag here. We do have a level at 175 if it wants to hit that. Also, ARM really spiking in the pre-market. Look at this. I mean, obviously, it has like this ginormous bull flag to play off of. We do have a level at 136 if it wants to hit that. Maybe look for a quick ORB. And in video, we have a downside idea under this 876. So let's see what we get. And we are open. ARM, give us a little bit of a pullback. How about? Wow, these contracts are way too tight. Let's see if we can get a nice spike through that. It's going to be a quick sell through the 136. There it goes. Trying to go green. Do one. This is dicey. Yeah, I'll take it. Taking ARM here. Looking for the 136. Wow, we got filled at 325. All right, that's bad. How are the spreads that big? Just give us 136. I did not think that. All right, so at 340, we're going to have to, like, sell this on the limit. What the hell? All right, it's at 385 now. Can we start selling these, like, at 4? I don't even mind trying to get out at this point. Come on, ARM. Let's try and get a sell at 4. I'm not going to put it out on the ask yet. Do 1. This is big. No. Going to have to switch back to market here. Back down through our level. It's not good. Yep, what is that? Well, it looks like we're gonna have to hop out of these. Rip. Dude, oh my gosh. I mean, I think everything in the whole market just got like a ginormous dump. Looking at video. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, we're officially done out here. All right, fellas, back on Wednesday. Post CPI move. And guys, I'm not kidding this time. I will not break any more rules. After yesterday, I am calm, believe it or not. No more mistakes. From here on out, we're playing this game right. I don't know what's been getting into me. I think it's just because I haven't traded in a while and I want to like get back into making profit and I'm used to making and taking bigger size. I don't really know. But anyway, patience today because everything is moving a little bit crazy. Let's get it. And we are open. Come on, man. Let's do this right. But also IWM is at a big key level. Actually, we could look for an opening range here. Could look to take 10. I'll take 10. Looking for a quick scalp through the ORB. That's it. IWM's off a big support level. I'll show you in a second. Oh, that's a big bounce. That's a good bounce. Obviously, stop was under the MAs. Came right down to the 200. Come on, IWM. There we go. Much better. How are we still down on these, by the way? Goes to the ORB. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Good. Please don't crack it. Can we get some good movement off of that? Yes. I'd love to sell 5 up here. There we go. There we go. Push it a little bit more. All right. Sell 5 up there. Thank you. Needs a wick on the top there. Just turn over, please. There we go. Makes the wick. Let's get some more pushes to the upside. Let's get to the $half. $half right here. There we go. Nice. There we go. New one. Might drop a little bit here. Be careful here. That's a really nice wick if we can push this through and get a green. Nope. All right. We are scraping by at this point, guys. This is, oh, man, $10. AMD might be a worthwhile trade under VWAP finally. We could try this. Finally a break of trend. I'll try it. I'm going to get in short AMD here. Looking for it to break this little consolidation under the VWAP. Obviously, trend is broken. See if we can continue that. Also, it's off of the 5-minute 200. This is literally the only trade I found worthwhile, and there we go. Nice. Little bit of a consolidation break. That's my strategy. Need to wick on the bottom there. Should go lower. Dude, it's so choppy. No way. No straightforward trades in this market. Above the trend, we're out. All right. There we go. Downside starting to be put in, but you never know. You never know. This thing could absolutely just bounce up in an instant. It's going to be a small win regardless, but we're all right with small wins at this point. Bruh, I don't want to have to keep waiting. This is so annoying, guys. Like, the market is just not moving in a good way, conducive for profit. I mean, you have to be taking micro scalps above VWAP now. All right. Are we seriously doing this? Why am I even questioning? Obviously, we're doing this. And we're up. Instead of up 70, we're down 70. Sick one. All right, guys, back on Thursday, and I'm actually excited for this morning. First of all, because most of that huge data is gone. PPI was this morning at 8:30, and better than expected. So a little bit of upside here on the markets, but I'm actually seeing some clear-cut potential setups here. One of them being NVIDIA. This 875 could still be a rejection level, but we are breaking above a key downtrend right here. So let's see if that comes into play. Also, Google looking to break that all-time high. Maybe the gap fill first. Break this flag into that. Let's get it. And we are open. Google, give us a little bit more pullback here. I would love to see us fill this gap and then go. NVIDIA, candle under candle. This thing flips back up. I'm ready to take it. Markets are pulling back a little bit. See how the next candle opens. Seeing pullbacks everywhere else. Need to work on the top of that candle. That should go back up. Could give us an opportunity to take a long here. I'm going to take a long. I knew that wick had to close, which it did. So we're actually going to anticipate the move up here on NVIDIA. Obviously, if we get a close under the yesterday's close, we're going to take it off. Let's see what we can get. That's a good move. There we go. That might actually been the best entry we possibly could have gotten. There we go. Good move up here. Nice new one. Stay above that VWAP. Let's try and go for that 875. There it is. Come on, NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA. There we go. Now we're getting some big movement here. Let's get over the 9. Yes, guys. Look at this move, NVIDIA. Finally a good win. Oh, my goodness. Let's go. New 1, new 5. Let's go. Let's go. I want to sell over the 880. Up 30% on these bad boys. I'll look to join the ask over 880. Look at this. A little bit more. Next candle should be giant. So we're over the pre-market high. See if we can hold above that. There we go. I'm going to join the ask, and I'm out. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. Let's go. Come on, guys. What an entry. What an entry. You don't know how hyped I am on that. Oh, my goodness. And it keeps going. That's fine with me. And Google, it's actually about to break its level. So let's actually turn over to Goog here. See what's up. Wow, very nice. So it did actually, man, either way, guys, it would have banked on our trades, on our trade ideas. But look at that. Google exactly hit the gap fill. So actually, guys, let's look for pullbacks to the 9 here, because obviously Google's a bit extended above the Bollingers. Oh, Google pulled right back to the 9. Hold on a minute. Can we look to enter here? Well, we don't want it to drop the opening range and everything else. Let's wait for the new 1. But 3 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, new 1. So we're going to get a little bit of a better entry, like near this VWAP. And I'll look to take it. Okay, I'm in. Average at 103. Looking for Google. Oops. To get safely above the opening range. VWAP in 9. I mean, this is a great place to buy. Obviously, we did tap the flag here. Looking to actually break that, hit the 159. This blue line's all-time high. There we go. All right. Nice candle there. Really nice. All right, guys. We are in the game. Let's see if we can hold the 9. Let's get above the intraday high. Oh, look at that. I love the jump on the VWAP here. It's a good sign. All right, new 1. Google's looking to attack this high. Look at the Bollingers now. Moving way up. Holding the 9 beautifully on the 1. Look at that. There we go. Finally some momentum, guys. How about that? All right, so we're broken out officially on the 1 hour. Let's honestly sell 3 on the break of the intraday highs. New 1 needs a wick on the top. Give us a red to green. You got to do it. All right, pretty big pullback here. Still holding the 9, so I can't complain. But the thing is, we know this has to hit back up. So, all right, new 1. This is the last minute in the 5. Oh, my God. All right, it did it here. Come on. Give us a break through the highs. We're going to sell a little bit less than half. Okay, close higher, please. All right, just in case we're selling half there. Let's check out the new 5. Here we go. Big surge of buying there, and wow. All right, just needed the new 5 minutes. See that, guys? No, don't double top here. Is that an exact double top? What's the high? 157.75. 157.75. Wow, that's illegal. That's got to break. We look good. There we go. Wow, good break, Oog. All right, so we want to look for the 158 whole dollar, right? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, now can we get some gas here? Ugh, no way. All right, selling 4. I don't like that at all. That could still move up, but I think maybe I got PTSD or something from how it's been going so far. But anyway, took $58 on that trade, and we only have like $300 left to trade, so I think I'm just going to call it here, guys. An unbelievable day, one that we absolutely needed. That's going to be it for me today, up 408, making that big of a profit, still using less than $1,000 positions. That just shows you the power of the market, man. Unbelievable. Oh, man. I'm so hyped with that. All right. See you guys tomorrow. All right. Back on Friday. Let's see if we can get a final good win on the week. Account is not looking the greatest, but man, did yesterday help out a lot. So yeah, actually main watch is going to be AMD. We do have a little bit of downside on the market. Look at where this thing's opening up. Right at the previous. We can even go to the weekly here on the monthly. Probably better off. Look at that. Break and retest here. Now trying to peak below that 164. So, I mean, if the bearishness continues today, AMD's flushing. So, let's get it. And we are open. AMD, can you give us something of a little bit of a better entry here? Oh, here comes AMD, guys. Look at that move back down. We could look for it. We'll try it. I'm going to take AMD here. Looking for the ORB down. I only took 10 on 70, so about $700 worth. Not taking huge size. Let's see if we can get that ORB down. Come on. Those Bollingers are kind of in our way. Let's see if we can spike through that. Quick stop out if we don't do it. Nice. Good flush. Come on. Come on, AMD. Get through that level. Look at that. It's a make or break for AMD here. There we go. There we go, AMD with the downside. Let's go. I love that. That's a huge candle, too. Huge candle. All right, I want to sell 5 down here. Give me a little bit closer to the lows. See if we can get some more flushes down. Come on, sellers. There we go. Selling 5. Wow. 180 off of 5. That's really good. All right, come on. Let's get some more pushes down. The new 5 minute. So we now broke under the low set 2 days ago. So let's stay under the ORB. We are a bit extended range-wise, obviously under the Bollingers, but AMD looks like it does not care. Let's target 163 whole dollar. Let's wait for the new 1. As long as we're under these 2 levels, we're all right. All right, new one. Might see a bounce here. It was a candle under, candle fail. Okay, peaks above it, comes back down very quickly. I like that. I like that. All right, new one. Bollingers are kind of in our face, though. Market's kind of holding up here. Come on. All right, just in case I'm going to sell 2 more here. Still got 3 left. Everything still looks decent. Just the Bollingers, man, I'm worried about. Okay, market's starting to come in here a little bit. You can see the red now. And the red on AMD. Let's go. There we go. The flush down. Come on, man. Finally, some good momentum moves. Thursday, Friday. Okay, new one. Yes. Okay, good. Really using this rejection pretty well. Oh, is this a W? What's the low here? 163.40. Yeah, this is actually an M pattern, or obviously the inverse of the W, right? This actually should go. Low of the run, pullback candle, candle under, candle fail, another pullback candle. This current candle should be the breakdown. So let's see if that works. And come on, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, man, close. We closed at the low, so I mean, it technically should have been the breakout. It didn't go on this one, but maybe it just needs that new 5-minute, which we did just get. But like I said, structure's still all right. VWAP and 9 are really coming down. It's just this dang Bollinger, man. There we go. Can we get the breakdown now? New one. Is this it? Can we do it, please? Yep. Yep, there we go. Oh, my goodness. Was that so hard, AMD? But again, taps the Bollinger. Oh, no. New one. I think we need a wick on the top there. Goes down anyway. Jeez. All right, I'll sell 1 more in the ask. Got that out. Got 2 left here. I know we have to spike back up. Oh my god, what a spike. That was a lot of buying there. But does it come back down? Just give us a 163. And we're out of here. All right, new one. Look at how much room now. Yes. Yes, there we go. Give us a 163. Just a little bit more. Oh, and I'm selling. 1 more there. Got 1 left. See if we can really start getting some flushes down now. I mean, look at the volume here. Actually increasing. This is good. Okay, let's drag this down to the 50. Let's look for $half. Can we just forget about the Bollingers, please? Look at the volume. Yes. I mean, just straight red, guys. Look at this. Every 5 minutes red. Let's go. Give us for the $half, and then I'm out. Then I'm out full. I promise, AMD. You gotta go. You gotta go. Yup, new one. Want to do it now? Do it now. Do it now. There we go. All right, I'll put that on the ask. Can I get that out? A little bit more. And we're out, baby. Let's go. Watch it flush here. 406. Unreal. Back in business, baby. So now the real question is, yeah, there's the flush. Do we look for another trade? But we do have NVIDIA on a very, very important level. I mean, it's holding the 890. Does it want to look for a rotation up? Oh, and no wick on the top of that candle. Let's double check here. Yeah, we got to fill that. So VWAP is right at the bottom of the opening range. So if we get above that. Okay, NVIDIA, what you got? Wow, that's pretty nice. If it gets back up inside here, I mean, I really like it. I will try it. I'm going to take a long here on 2 NVIDIAs. Hoping for it to stay inside of the starting range. Obviously, this looks still pretty bad on the 5 minutes, so we really need to get over this. And there we go. That's good. We have to try and target the 900, right? All right. This actually looks really good. So now we're above the 9. All this grossness on the 5 minute. I want to see some strength here. Kind of want to sell 1 in the ask just to take some... I'm going to put 1 in the ask. And I somehow got that out. Okay. Just de-risk a little bit. How about this for a move, guys? Let's go. Oh, my goodness. 1. Okay, nope, we're out. It was a fair try. It honestly probably will still go up, but might just be a little bit choppy throughout this area. And that's my day done, guys. Wow. Finishing the day up 416. Now let's go over and let me show you Lightspeed. All right, guys. So as you can see right here, this is our daily trade activity. You can see the AMD and NVIDIA. And gross P&L 416. You saw that. Commissions 960. So net P&L 406.32. So now if we go over to the month today P&L, let's see here, net P&L down 766, unfortunately. So you can see the starting day balance of today was 2,066. But now if we add the 406.32 to the 2,066.89, that'll bring the account to just under 2,500. So the start of the week was the 8th. So if we think about it, we actually had a break-even week, which is pretty good considering we had Monday starting out down 733, and then next day down 460. So really clawed basically all of that back, which is really nice. So hyped on that. Again, I want to thank you guys for the support on these series. And if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, drop a like for me, drop a sub, drop a comment, and let me know what you thought about the trades this week. And believe me, let me hear them. I did not trade the best this week, but cleaned up my act 2 days ago. So yeah, again, thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next week. Take it easy.